Happy 50th birthday! It's really a miracle kasi nakasurvive siya sa seizure na yon. And we thank God for his life, another life, kumbaga. Kaya talagang tong Thanksgiving party, honoring God for his life.
I declare and I believe, in God's fullness of time, you are going to receive your complete healing. Kasi hindi niya makakayanan ng pagdagdaanan niyang ito. Ganon din ang kanyang asawa at anak kapag sila ay walang Kristo. Kaya yun ang pinakamagandang mangyari sa buhay natin, na in God's fullness of time, makilala natin ang Panginoon.
Happy birthday, Bong!
Si Kuya Bong, siya yung tao na napakabait talaga, generous, and happy feel siya sa amin. So, Kuya Bong, we are grateful to God knowing you in this lifetime.
God wanted to show the world that the true hope is not in man, not in David, not in Moses, but in His Son, Jesus Christ. It's the perfect time for the Savior of the world to be born.
Happy birthday pa. Belated happy birthday pala. Mas pogi pa rin ako ngayon kasi hindi mo na birthday.
Napakayabang po niyang tao. Totoo po yan nung hindi pa po siya Kristiyano. Pero nung nakilala po niya si Jesus Christ, talagang yung pagbabago is makikita mo kasi hindi na po siya nagmumura. At saka hindi na po siya nagsusugal. Hindi na po siya ng bababae. Pero nung nakilala po niya si Jesus Christ, talagang yung pagbabago is makikita mo kasi hindi na po siya nagmumura. At higit po sa lahat, hindi na po pera ang kanyang pinanghahawakan sa buhay niya. Lagi po niyang sinasabi na God will provide. Kasi ako po yung nagwo-worry. Sabi ko, Papa, paano ba to? Wala tayong pambayad. Papa, paano ba to? Ang daming bayarin. Mama, God will provide. Mayaman ang daddy ko. Yun ang lagi niya pong sinasabi. Kaya kung meron po talagang tunay na pagbabago na binago ni Lord, masasabi ko po na si Bong yun. Kasi nasaksihan ko po talaga yung hirap na naranasan ko sa kanya before. Ngayon po, blessing na po kasi tinurn around ni Lord yung buhay niya. Talagang yung pagmamahal ni Lord sa kanya, imagine nyo, binigyan pa siya ng second chance. Kaya nagpapasalamat po talaga ako kay Lord na binuhay pa po siya. Thank you so much po. Happy birthday, Papa.
Yung example mo, Bong, yun yung nakapag-change ng mind ko para mag-church on-site. Pumunta ka pa ng Taytay, nag-hire kayo ng driver, talagang inaalalayan ka pa nun. Tapos, nagpunta ka para makiramay lang. That's Bong as a friend. Talagang, he makes effort to show his sympathy, his love. And yun, natouch ako. Kaya pag nag-invite si Bong, kahit marami kaming activities, cancel lahat yun.
Happy birthday, Papa! It's your golden years and I want to bless you and speak life to you and I pray na you will have more birthdays to come. I love you. God bless!
You've touched my eyes
know we've been through a lot this year. Pero you're always in our prayers, mga bata. We always prayed rosary and you're included in our prayers. Just stay healthy and have more birthdays to come. And God bless us all.
Leads me to
We know Kuya Bong for having a bold in faith. So he's not afraid to stand up for what he believes in. Letter O, he obeys God. He chooses to follow God's ways even when it's not easy. Letter N, nurtures others. Ito, very to sa amin. Si Kuya Bong talagang nurture niya yung relationship niya sa ibang tao. And letter G is grateful heart. So, Kuya Bong always finds reason to thank God every single day.